absorption. So at first, food. Friends, we all know that food, shelter and clothes is our basic needs. So are our basic needs. What are our basic needs? Food, clothes and shelter are our basic needs. But the food, at first the food is one of the basic requirement of all living organisms, of all living beings or living organisms. Okay, so look at here, food is one of the basic requirement of all living beings. Okay, for our survival, all living beings need food. Okay, therefore they stated that the food is one of the basic requirement of all living organisms or all living beings. Then the next point is the major components. The major components in our food are, so friends, you will ask me that which are the major components in our food. Okay, then the major components are carbohydrates. Okay, carbohydrates, proteins and fats. These three components, carbohydrate, proteins and fats, are the major components in our food. Okay, and the components in minor quantity or in small quantity. Okay, the minor components in our food. So the minor components in our food are vitamins and minerals. Means, friends, look at here, we need carbohydrate, protein and fats in large amount or in large quantity, and here the vitamins and minerals, we need or we have the requirement of vitamins and minerals in less quantity rather than these carbohydrates, proteins and fats are needed us by the larger quantity. Then the next point is that the macromolecules. Okay, the next point is water. So friends, look at here, from the first one. Okay, we need the food, cloth and shelter. These are our basic needs, but food is one of the basic requirement of all living organisms. The major components in our food that we need in large quantity, these are carbohydrates, proteins and fats. This is also clear. Then the next point is the components which need us in small quantity or in less quantity, that are vitamins and minerals. And then the next point is water. So the water plays an important role. Okay, the water plays an important role. Okay, the water plays an important role in metabolic processes. Okay, look at here, first one, the water. Then here is water. We have written here water. Then what is the use of water? The water plays an important role in metabolic processes and helps to prevent dehydration. Okay, and helps to prevent dehydration. From this point to this point, we will remember again and again. Okay, or we will learn again and again. At first, the food is one of the basic requirement of all living organisms. major component in our food are carbohydrates, proteins and fats. Then the next is minor components in our food are vitamins and minerals. Then the water. Water plays an important role in metabolic processes. Underline this word. The water plays an important role in metabolic processes and helps to prevent the dehydration. Water helps to prevent the dehydration. Then the next point is the biomacromolecules. Okay, the biomacromolecules in our food. Okay, the biomacromolecules in our food cannot be utilized in their original form in our body. Okay, friends, look at here. The biomacromolecules in our food. Okay, the biomacromolecules in our food cannot be utilized in their original form. In our body. They have to converted into simple substances, simple food substances. Okay, friends, look at here. This point is very important. This point is very important. The biomacromolecules in our food cannot be utilized in their original form in our body. They have to converted into simple food substances. Okay, so that's why the digestion has to be taken. Okay, then the next point is digestion. So what is meant by digestion? What is meant by digestion? Digestion means the conversion of complex food substances into simple absorbable food substances is called digestion. And this definition is very important. It is also very important and it is given in our NCERT book also. Okay, friends, look at here. Digestion means the conversion of complex food substances into simple absorbable food substances. Okay. For example, if we eat something, okay. For example, look at here. This is our mouth. Okay. This is our mouth and from this opening